So my projects have been funded by the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society of Canada since 2011, and the work is trying to identify survival mechanisms in leukemia and lymphoma. So we kind of stumbled on these interesting molecules we were studying in healthy cells, and then we discovered that they are also might be implicated in giving an enhanced survival advantage to leukemic and lymphoma cells. So now we're trying to understand and try to study these molecules in the context to see if they could become targets for therapy to remove this survival advantage to blood cancers in general. So my training is, I am an immunologist by training, and so it involves studying cells of the immune system, which are mostly found in the blood. And some of these molecules I mentioned earlier that are usually, that we are studying and seem to mediate a survival advantage, their expression is actually limited to cells of the immune system, and hence also we see them to be expressed in blood cancers. So they are upregulated in blood cancers, and that's how they give the survival advantage. So this is where our interest lies in understanding blood cancer. And the immune system actually has the capacity to fight cancer. So part of our work also involves in trying to enhance the immune system to eliminate these cancers, but also to try to target the leukemic and lymphoma cells directly. So I've always was fascinated by how our immune system works and how we have the capacity to fight disease. And so the cancers that are the most relevant to my work are actually leukemia and lymphoma. So when I started my lab at the Maisonneuve Rosemont Hospital, I was a new investigator, and I had previously been, actually at that point I was still funded by the LLS from the United States. I had a career development award, which allowed me to transition into my current position. And so the project we were pursuing was a continuation of that project, and it was actually the next step from what I was doing during my fellowship, and I was developing these projects as an independent investigator. And we wanted to now start focusing our work more into some specific types of leukemia, such as chronic lymphocytic leukemia and T-Lymphoblastic leukemia.